Hey guys, Irene here. Today I decided to do something a little bit different and photograph using table lamps. I was massively inspired by the photographer Georgy Chernyadyev. Hopefully I'm saying his name right. I love the way he uses tungsten lighting and kind of mixes it with the natural window light, so I really wanted to try something like that for myself. I have an amazing team today. Modeling for me is Cathrina, and Emilia is doing her hair and makeup. We started off by taking some simple window light portraits. I placed a teal textured backdrop about 1 meter away from my model, and this time I decided to shoot with a wider angle lenses. I used my Sigma 35mm 1.4 and my old and trusty Canon 50mm 1.8. Next, we started experimenting with using table lamps as my main light source. I grabbed the mirror that was hanging on the wall, put it on the nightstand, and got my model sitting and kind of looking in the mirror. We tried to create sort of a fake vanity there. I have Emilia holding a lamp and directing it at the model to the camera left, and I have another lamp on the floor illuminating the model's hair from the back. This was actually pretty hard because of the small space, our DIY setup with table lamps, and it was really hard not to get my own reflection into the shot and at the same time get the kind of shot that I was looking for. But with some experimentation, I was able to get a really cool looking result. After we got our mirror shot, I decided to experiment a little bit more. So here the model is backlit by the window light, and Emilia is holding a lamp directing it at the model's shoulder and face. And finally, I had the model sitting on the chair, facing the window. One lamp is on the vanity, kind of illuminating the background, and then Emilia holding a second lamp that is directed at the model's back. I also decided to include a little before and after here, as I know a lot of you guys always ask me to show the unedited picture. I cropped the image, fixed the white balance, some skin retouch, a little bit of liquify on her hair, and finally dodge and burn and some selective color for color correction. Alright, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Don't forget to check out Cathrina and Emilia. You guys did such an amazing job. Today was an interesting photo shoot. I'm excited to add it and see the results. So yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye!